All right, the next ornament that we are going to cover is the Santa Belt. And for the Santa Belt, you need a circle or round base piece. You need your piece of red mosaic. You need your yellow rectangle of mosaic, and you need that piece of black mosaic. You're also gonna have your beads handy so you can put buttons on this design. Now the first thing that we are going to do is trace 2 half circles from that round base piece using our Sharpie. And we trace half circle on one side and we trace half of the base piece on the other side. Now we are going to use our scoring tool and the runner in combination with the glass cutters to cut out these shapes. When we use our scoring tool, we want to remember that we need to go from one edge to an opposite edge on the glass. So with my Sharpie, I'm going to show you the direction that I'm going to scratch. So I'm going to do a gentle curve, and I'm going to come off my half circle and out the opposite side of the glass. Now when I'm going to scratch this line, I want to remember to hold my scoring tool halfway between the top and the bottom. Where the 2 angles come together is that little wheel, and that wheel needs to touch the glass. And to keep the wheel on the glass, I pick up my elbow. Starting on the edge of the glass, I lean down, and then I'm going to move my whole arm as I scratch from one edge of the glass to the other. To break the glass where I scratched it, I make sure my gold bolt points up towards the ceiling. There's a gold line on top of that flat surface of the tool that you line up on top of your scratch. So the gold line points at the other end, and we see glass sticking out both sides of that flat surface. And then we get to squeeze like we're using scissors to break the glass apart. Now to finish off my shape, I'm going to use my glass cutters to finish off cutting out this half circle. I'm going to reach up and bring the discs together on the edge of my circle that I drew, and then I clip off those pieces. And for a little smoother edge, I clip off some of the corners. Now when we use our glass cutters, there's always going to be some texture, but that edge melts smooth in the kiln, so we're not worried about the difference in texture from using our glass cutters and that straight line that we got when we used our scoring tool. So that's one half. Now we're going to do our other half, and to cut out the other half, I'm again going to start out with my scoring tool. I'm going to show you with my Sharpie the scratch that I'm going to make. My elbow is up so the wheel stays on the glass. Lean down and scratch from edge to edge. Now to break that off, gold bolt points up on the runner. Get that gold line on top of the scratch. We always have glass on both sides of that flat surface, and then we get to squeeze like we use scissors. Now we can cut some of this with our scoring tool. So I'm going to scratch what I hope is going to be the rest of my half circle. And when I line up my runner to scratch or to break the scratch, I still want to make sure that I have glass sticking out both sides of that flat surface of the tool, and then I get to squeeze like I use scissors. Now that left a little point, and I'm going to use my glass cutters to finish off cutting out that shape. And I need to cut off a couple of these corners down here so my red half circle stays on my base piece. Now when I get these lined up, it's okay that they don't come all the way out to the edge. That's actually better because we need to have a little bit of an edge of the base piece around the glass that we're laying down. And that means that I need to cut off a little bit of this red from this half circle over here. So now I have the red for my Santa Belt. Now we are going to cut a rectangle for that Santa Belt. And to cut a rectangle, I know that you can't see the Sharpie very well on the black, but you can see a little bit of a reflection. And I'm drawing with the Sharpie so you can kind of see where I'm going to use the scoring tool. And when I use my scoring tool, I start on the edge that's closest to me, lean down, and I push from one edge of the glass to the other. My gold bolt is up to break that off. Gold line is on my scratch, and I'm aimed at the other end of my scratch, and I see glass sticking out both sides of the flat surface, and then I get to squeeze like I use scissors. Now, when I set this down, I'm going to set it down on top of the 2 edges where the half circles come together. set that piece of black down. Now it does stick out over the edge, but we're not going to worry about that right now. The first thing we're going to do is actually we're going to cut this thing in half using our glass cutters. Remember, where the discs come together is where they break the glass. So I want you to bring those discs together halfway in between these two edges. So we're going to end up with two rectangles. Now I'm going to set one of my rectangles down. Now they still, when I put them together, they still look like the whole piece, but I want to pull them apart so I have room for a yellow square. And how big my yellow square is determines how much of the edge of the black I'm going to cut off. So I want to make a yellow square using that same technique with my glass cutters. Cut that square. Set that down in between those two black rectangles. And now I can see how much I need to cut off of the edge. So I'm going to start by cutting my corners. And then I continue to clip. I want that end just a little bit round. And then I'm going to set that piece down. And now I'm going to cut off this other side, starting by cutting off my corners. I'm going to continue to clip until I have the round shape that I want for my Santa belt. Now it still sticks out over the edge, and that needs to be fixed, so I need to cut off some more. And I'm going to do that by cutting off just another one of these little squares. And a little bit more from my other side of my belt. And now I have all of my glass still inside the edges of that base piece. Now those black pieces that I cut off, I can use those as the center of my Santa belt. I took two pieces and I pushed them close together. That creates the center of my Santa belt. Or I can take one of my black beads and set that in the center, and that makes my Santa belt as well. Now to finish off my design, I'm going to use my white beads to give Santa some buttons on his Santa suit. Using my fingers, I set those down with the flat side down. I like to do one on the bottom and two on the top to give him his Santa belt. And we have now made our Santa belt. Last thing that we need to do before we move this is to glue this down. So take your bottle of glue, and we're going to do a drop on each button, a drop on the black bead in the center, a drop where the yellow meets the black, and then right out here at the edge, a couple of drips where the red meets the base piece. And this is a good opportunity to double check and make sure that your pieces aren't hanging out over the edge and you can get everything pushed on. So that is how we have made our Santa belt. Now to pick this up, remember you can pinch the edges from the side, and you're going to lift that up and off to the side and get ready to make your next ornament.